Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be unboxing the Qatar Airways limited edition, like it's the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 travel kit. So someone gave me this. So kita nyo naman, it's with Qatar Airways logo and the official logo of the FIFA World Cup. Ayan. Ang sabi niya dito, official airline partner. Sa true nga naman, yung Qatar Airways ay official sponsor ng ating FIFA World Cup na kasalukuyang ginaganap dito sa Qatar. So, ito siya. It's a body bag type, I think. It's color black in leather. So, ayan siya. Adjustable. Tama ba? Yeah, I think. Ganyan siya. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung kaloob-looban niya. Kung ano ba yung mga laman. Because previously, I have this kit. Yung sa mga business class. Ayan. Na pinaglalagyan ko na ng mga brushes. And I also have this one na bihira ko lang gamitin kasi nga white siya. So, madali siyang madumihan. And eto, kasi ito souvenir to, 'di ba? Kasi nga dahil sa FIFA, so may logo siya ng FIFA. So, ang mga laman niya ay ito. So, we have here, I think, cream. This is from Diptyque, if I pronounce it correctly. This is from Paris. Yeah, it's cream and lotion. Fresh lotion for the body. And another one, this is essential facial cream. So, mga cream. And meron pa siya. Oh, lip balm. Ayan, lip balm. So, very handy. Pang travel nga talaga siya. Maliliit. And what is this? Oh, refreshing towel. So, hindi ko na siya bubuksan kasi yung ano siya, yung parang wet towel. So, pag binuksan ko na siya, magda-dry up na siya. Diba? And meron pa tayong ganito. What is this? What are this, by the way? Oh, yun it, voila. It's a perfume. Perfume. It's a perfume. 34 from Diptyque also. Oh, it's a spray in a spray bottle. So, ayan, yung ito lang talaga, parang ito lang talaga yung kasi yung allowed sa mga airline, yung ganito kalaki, yung ganitong amount ng liquid sa inyong hand carry. And another one, I think it's the same. Ayan siya, guys. Try natin. Ang dulas na kamay ko. Medyo on the strong sides yung smell niya. Oh, mukha na akong araba. So, ayan guys, yung laman ng ating limited edition FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 travel kit from Qatar Airways. So, if you have got hold of this, wala na akong mas-say. So, sa nagbigay nito sa akin, thank you so much. Mwah! Bye! Practice pa ako. For more ganap and happenings ng ating FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!